potentate. I ain't no psychiatrist, I ain't no doctor with a degree.
Shake that.
In the club, party rock. Looking for your girl, she on my jock. Now stop when we get in the spot. Booty moving weight like she on the block. With a drink, I got to know. Tight jeans, tattoo, cause I'm rock, rock. Half black, half white, diamond out.
Here we come, here we go. We gotta rock, easy come, easy go. Now we on top, feel the shot, body rock, rock and don't stop. Round and round, up and down, around the clock. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday to Sunday. Get with us, you know what we say. Party every day, party every day, and I'm feeling.
Oh, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair.
Pues nada, aquí tenéis la cocina.
Trying, she's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. When I see her,
Y luego ya en la puerta tenemos la mesa.
there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah.
I heard you on the wireless back in 52, lying awake intently tuning in on you. If I was young, it didn't stop you coming through. They took the credit for your second symphony, rewritten by machine on new technology. And now I understand the problems you could see. I met your children. What did you tell them?
Muy buenas amigos, hoy en Bricomanía os enseñamos cómo eliminar rápida y sencillamente el gotelé en las habitaciones. Aquí tenemos la pared de gotelé, se ve que tenemos gotelé. Aquí nuestra compañera Elena Fernández va a demostrarnos cómo eliminar el gotelé. Así, metemos por debajo y vamos sacando. Trisqui, 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 risqui, risqui. Como veis, rápido, sencillo y para toda la familia. Hasta luego, majetes.